Welcome, welcome. Today is not just any day. And you're not here by accident. You clicked this video because it was meant to find you. Not yesterday, not tomorrow, now, this moment. Maybe your heart is tired. Maybe your soul is heavy. And maybe, just maybe, you've been asking, God, where are you? Why does everything feel so silent? Please, listen closely. Because this video is not just a video, it's a message not from me, but from the one who created you, and who still has a plan for you. No matter your religion, no matter your past, this message is for you. Part 1. The pain no one sees. Let's talk about the pain. Not the kind that shows on your face, but the one deep inside your chest. You've been carrying something heavy. Maybe for months, maybe for years. You laugh with friends, you go to work, you post pictures, but when you're alone, the silence becomes louder than your strength. You cry quietly, you smile in front of others, but your heart keeps asking, why me? Why do I feel so empty? You prayed, you begged, you screamed into your pillow, and still, silence. You started to think, maybe God forgot me. Maybe I'm not important. But the truth is, sometimes God takes things away, not to punish you, but to protect you. He saw what you didn't. You were chasing people who didn't love you. You were entering doors that weren't safe for you. You were holding dreams that weren't meant for you. So he closed them, not because he hates you, but because he loves you too much to let you get hurt. Part 2. Why nothing worked. You tried everything. You worked hard. You stayed kind. You believed. And still, it didn't work. The job didn't come. The person left. The prayers didn't get answered. And you thought, maybe I'm not good enough. Maybe God is blessing others and skipping me. But let me tell you something. It didn't fail because you weren't worthy. It failed because it was never your destiny. What you asked for was too small for the plan God had for you. You were praying for the wrong door to open. And when that door stayed shut, you felt forgotten. But here's the secret. Unanswered prayers are often the biggest blessings. That job? Maybe it would have destroyed your peace. That person? Maybe they were not loyal. That dream? Maybe it wasn't part of your purpose. You didn't lose. You were protected. Part 3. The plan you cannot see. Right now, you want answers. You want signs. You want to know, is my pain leading somewhere, or am I just wasting time? You're not wasting time. You are being prepared. Just like a tree grows its roots first, in the dark, in the silence, before anything shows above the ground. You are that tree. God is growing your roots, your strength, your patience, your wisdom, because without roots, you will fall the moment your blessings arrive. You're not stuck. You're not being punished. You're being made ready. And I know you're tired. I know you're asking, how long do I have to wait? But faith is not built in comfort. Faith is built in darkness. When nothing makes sense, when people leave, when you're walking alone. That's where transformation happens. That's where God makes warriors. Part 4. You were never alone. Let me ask you something. When you were crying, when you were lost, when no one understood you, do you think God left you? No, he was right there. In the silence, in the stillness, in the breaking. He wasn't punishing you, he was protecting you. He was removing people who were fake. He was blocking paths that would have hurt you. You said, why is God not answering? But the truth is, he was answering with silence. Because silence isn't empty. Silence is sacred. Silence is when your soul learns to trust, not what you see, but who is behind the unseen. Part 5, now it's time to surrender. So, what do you do now? You stop controlling, you stop overthinking, you stop asking why. And you do something powerful. You surrender, not give up. Surrender. You say, God, I don't understand, but I trust you. You walk forward, one step at a time, not with all the answers, but with faith. Because the truth is, you are not too late. You are not too broken. You are not forgotten. You are being built. In silence, in mystery, for something greater than what you ever imagined. One day, you'll look back and say, "Thank you, God, for not giving me what I asked for, because what you gave me was so much better." If this video touched your heart, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let someone else find hope just like you. Learn English through emotions. Let your heart listen and your language grow. This is True Tears English, where your pain becomes purpose and your story begins again.